Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products on the market today. In this episode, we're diving deep into what many consider the best 20-inch pizza pan available, the American Metalcraft HACTP20 Coupe-style pan. Let's see what makes this pan a standout choice for pizza enthusiasts and professionals alike. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Now, let's talk about why this pizza pan is generating so much buzz. The American Metalcraft HACTP20 is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, boasting a substantial 14-gauge thickness. This means it's not only durable but also distributes heat evenly, crucial for achieving that perfect, crispy crust. With a generous 20-inch diameter, this pan accommodates large pizzas effortlessly, making it ideal for family gatherings or professional use in pizzerias. Let's talk features. The HACTP20 is oven-safe and microwave-safe, offering versatility in your kitchen. However, it's important to note that hand washing is recommended to preserve its quality over time. The smooth, coupe-style edges not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also make it easier to slide pizzas in and out, ensuring a seamless baking experience. Performance-wise, this pan excels. Whether you're baking homemade pizzas or reheating leftovers, its even heat distribution ensures consistent results every time. And when it comes to durability, American Metalcraft delivers. The sturdy aluminum construction withstands high temperatures and daily use, promising years of reliable service. So, is the American Metalcraft HACTP20 Coupe-style pan worth it? Absolutely. Its robust build, spacious design, and reliable performance make it a top choice for anyone serious about their pizza game. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!